Decker mode. Do it like experts. Watch out! Become an expert now with exclusive content on precision tools, technology and Zecker Hartmetall-Werkzeugfabrikation GmbH. Are you looking for the ideal solid carbide milling cutter for difficult to machine materials in medical technology? Hello there and welcome. I'm Andreas Weck, Application Engineer at Zecker. Today I'm going to introduce you to the benefits and uses of the Kingfisher milling cutter family. All of the milling cutters in the Kingfisher family have been specially developed to machine materials that are traditionally difficult to machine, such as titanium, stainless steels, non-ferrous and precious metals, as well as both super and special alloys. Smooth cutting, stable geometries, coating solutions, and cooling systems give the tools excellent properties for the most challenging machining tasks. New solid carbide grades of the highest quality ultrafine microgeometry with cutting-edge radii of plus or minus 3 mu together with stable and sharp cutting edges enable precise machining without swarf. Whether uncoated, super sharp coated with the trusted BCR coating or the latest WAD-PVD coating, it's great for every job and all cutting conditions. Kingfisher, fast, accurate and a water lover, just like the bird itself. Plus, that's exactly how the shank or internal cooling system is designed, for optimal cooling directly at the tool's cutting edge, thus ensuring low, process-safe temperatures in the cutting zone. Of particular note is the unequal pitch and helix of the tools, which ensures an especially smooth and gentle cutting action, as well as the core reinforcement, the polished and optimized cutting zones for safe cutting management. The Kingfisher family opens the door to a world of materials that are difficult to machine, such as titanium, stainless or super alloys, whether in component production, motor racing, aerospace, turbine and motor construction, or medical technology or metrology. Kingfisher is the first choice for both dry and wet machining for performance-enhanced roughing, wear-minimized prefinishing, and for mu-accurate finishing with outstanding surfaces. Available as triple-edged bull-nose cutter from diameter 1.5 mm to 10 mm, the Torus Z2 from diameter 1.5 mm to 4 mm, and Torus Z4 from diameter 3 mm to 12 mm, Z3 end mills from diameter 0.2 mm to 2 mm, and Z5 end mills with an extra long cutting edge from diameter 6 mm to 12 mm. The Kingfisher family covers many important machining applications. The shank cooling system offers you both a high coolant volume and an even distribution with minimum coolant displacement even at high rotation speeds. The internal coolant with turbo cammer offers a higher coolant pressure and at the same time a greater flow rate, in addition to a significantly improved swarf flow, really flushing the swarf out of the cutting area. All in all, the tool design of the Kingfisher series enables higher feed rates and cutting speeds with a simultaneous increase in tool life and process reliability due to the reduced heat generation and good temperature control. So, thank you very much for your time. It was good to see you. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. We're happy to help. Goodbye and see you soon. See you at the next Zecker mode. Do it like experts.